morning, sir.
Yes, come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Anmol Kesarwani.
Anmol Kesarwani. And what's your name?
My name is Saurabh Tripathi.
Saurabh Tripathi. So your names are Anmol Kesarwani and Saurabh Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anmol Kesarwani, your code is 47A and Saurabh, your code is 47B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at first, Anmol Kesarwani, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Anmol Kesarwani. I live in
Yes.
Siratu, Kasambi. My father's name is Mr. Sunil Kumar Kesarwani, and he is a
Okay.
businessman. My hobbies are listening songs, and I love to play cricket.
Love to play cricket.
Yes, sir.
And listening music.
Yes, sir.
Which types of song?
So basically, party songs.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, please tell me something about yourself, Saurabh.
Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yes.
And it's my pleasure for introduce myself. My name is Saurabh Tripathi from class 12th math. My father name Mr. Arun Tripathi. My mother name Mrs. Gudiya Tripathi.
Yes.
My hobbies are playing cricket, learning, writing, and watching a serial.
Okay.
My ambition of life to become an IAS officer.
Okay. This is your ambition.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to our next task. That is topic presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at first, Anmol Kesarwani is going to tell us about his topic. When Anmol Kesarwani will finish his topic, Saurabh, you will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes,
Let's begin your topic.
sir. I am very glad to get this opportunity to speak few words on the topic Digital India.
Yeah.
Digital India campaign, a campaign initiated by Indian government, is to increase online work via internet connectivity, fixing and improving.
Yes.
Digital India project was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Damodar Das Narendra Modi on the 1st July of 2015 at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Delhi. Digital India project was mainly planned to develop India into a smart nation and deliver better and fast internet connectivity. Digital technology in India has reduced paperwork, saved manpower, time, as well as give high boost to the technology market and create a lot of job opportunities. The internet has also been an issue in rural part of the country in the past, but now they can enhance their knowledge and skill by using internet connectivity. They can also learn about the forecast of the climate and have more knowledge in agriculture. This campaign has become a very successful campaign.
Yes, yes. And now, would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, yes.
Anmol, please can you tell me advantage of Digital India?
There are many advantages of Digital India to provide better and fast internet connectivity in all Gram Panchayat, proper paper reduction, socializing, and many more.
And second, which company operates Digital India?
Bharat Broadband Network Limited operates Digital India project.
Okay.
Yes.
Anmol Kesarwani, can you tell me any other scheme run by our central government?
Yes, Make in India scheme, Cleanliness India scheme.
Yeah. And Beti Bachao, Beti
Beti Padhao,
Padhao,
yes, sir.
Make in India,
Yes.
Clean India, Green India.
Clean India,
Okay.
Green India. Yes.
Now, Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
this is your turn. You are going to tell us about your topic.
Yes, sir.
When Saurabh will finish his topic, Anmol, you will ask some questions. And are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Let's.
My topic is games and sports. Importance of games and sports.
Yeah.
Games and sports play an important role in human life. In the past, no importance was attached to sports in our country. But now we have realized that sports are very useful. So every educational institution of our country provides for sport. As a matter of fact, that sports are a necessary part of education. Human body is just like a machine. A machine cannot work properly without oiling. In the same way, human body cannot work properly without exercise. We have to enjoy life. Then we should take part in sport. Sports also teach us many qualities. We have to obtain some rules. Sports also teach us discipline, which is very useful in practical life. Sports also teach us self-control. A good sportsman.
Okay, very nice. Now this is your turn to ask questions.
Saurabh, can you tell me what is the difference between games and sports?
Sports involves only physical health, but in games involves mental health. And in sports, an individual person is involved, but in games, a full team involved and
Okay.
his skill.
Saurabh, can you tell me some benefits or advantages
Yes, sir.
of sports and games? how it is benefited for the students? How is it beneficial for the students?
So many advantages of sports and game. Increase strength and stamina, reduce depression of life, and increase personality development.
Okay.
Increase
Thank you.
essential for the development of body and mind.
Okay, thank you. We are going to our next task, that is problem solving task. In this task, I am going to provide you an information about the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you discuss about the problem,
Yes, sir.
and after that give us suggestive points. Okay, so this is your problem. You read out this
sir.
problem and find out solution.
One of your neighbors play loud music every night. This disturbs you and the other neighbors since children are not able to study and old people are not able to sleep. Discuss with your partner how you can convince the person to not disturb other and what effect can such noise pollution could have on the community.
The problem of playing loud music has become a common problem today.
Yes.
Nowadays. People in a name of parties, ladies, sangeet, and religious programs has violating noise pollution norms and laws.
I agree with you. There is no niche peace even during night. The wars affected the people, very young child, old people, patients and the students.
Yes, the students who are preparing their board examination,
Yes, sir.
they are not able to study.
Yes.
And children,
Yes, sir.
babies are not able to sleep. Old and sick people
Yes,
are
sir.
facing their many problems.
Yes,
sir.
So which kind of suggestion do you want to give them? First of all, you will go there. You will politely talk to them.
Yes, sir.
After that, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have done your task very well.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go now. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.